That's the right answer. How old are you? How old are you? You, sir?
But today we have declared open all Goa Veterans Football Championship Open, and the main purpose behind this is to promote culture of sports and fitness amongst the veterans, and at the same time we have requested the veterans and participating teams to become messengers of traffic safety, spread the message against drug consumption, because this way it is a kind of outreach to the community, and whereby we can civic engagement. Basically it is a kind of civic engagement with the society at large. And earlier also there was a match between Goa police veterans and the Goa police. So this way we will be reaching out to the larger public and spreading the message about traffic safety and drive against drugs.
तो बांग्ला लोग पहली से रहते हैं हम भी होता है अरे बांग्ला
काफी रोमांचक हो रहा है।